So I want you just to sit back and join me a moment in relaxation. So today, let's focus our attention on the positive emotions. And one of the highest ones is being grateful. The one a little bit higher than that in a frequency is being appreciative. I appreciate you. I'm grateful for you. So if you feel safe enough, just gently close your eyes, and we're going to shift our attention from the outside world to our inside world that we missed getting in touch with when we were little. And to do that, you follow your breath. So inhale, have your belly go out. Exhale slowly, have your belly go in, your shoulders relax, your jaw, your eyes. Just relax into this precious, almost sacred moment where we have the choice of where to put our attention. We have the choice to think thoughts that lift us or take us down. We are so grateful this morning for that power of choice. And we're grateful for the people who chose to come with us, striving to do things a little different than it was done with us. It takes courage, a lot of practice, passion, wisdom, and willingness. So now, think of the people in your life that you have gratitude for, and then I want you to reach a little higher in all the things you appreciate, maybe about them. I'm going to be quiet, and we're going to take a little moment to get ourselves in the higher state with the positive emotions. So I am grateful. And as we open our eyes and look around at the people that we joined in these 2 days, out of all the people in the world, we spent them with the people at the time with the people at our table. And so just be grateful for all the people at your table. Now, some of you came with the people you work with, and that might be a stretch. But the rest of you, they're somewhat strangers, and it's easier to do with strangers. All right, so now look at our commitment. Whoa. And just think about it. Today I commit to, and I'm just going to kind of write it for us all. Today I commit to expressing the love that I am through gratitude and appreciation. Are y'all willing to do that? And when I become conscious that I've slid into worry, concern, doubt, fear, all that's happening back at home or wherever it's happening, I'm going to consciously choose to be aware of it and come back to be a higher expression of it. Signed, me.